Let's look at solving exponential equations. So here we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 16. Now to solve this equation, right, you want to make sure that this side has the same base. So what I mean by that, right, is that like this 16 should be like 2 to the power something, okay, which we don't know. And so to do this, right, here's what I'm going to do. So here I'm going to write 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power 4. Because 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. Now, if you don't know that 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16, just remember that 2 to the power of a had to be equal to 16. So, like, we need to figure out what 16 was in base 2. And so you can just do guess and check. That's totally fine. But if you know it, then yeah, you can just go straight into this. And so because the bases are the same, right, it should make sense that x is equal to 4. All right. So just remember, both sides should have the same base, just like in this line right here. So here we have 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 9. So what you can do is write this. 3 to the power of x is equal to 9 to the power negative 1. Actually, no. We can write this as 1 over 3 squared, right? Because 9 is just 3 squared. And these are the same base, right? But then this is like 1 over the number. And so what you can do, right, is this. 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power negative 2. Because these two are the same thing, right? And so because these have the same base, you can therefore write x is equal to negative 2. All right? All right, so let's look at this one. This one's a bit different. Now, to do this question, right, what you want to do is you want to think of a base that they both share. And so a base that I can think of, right, is 5. Well, we know that 5 squared is equal to 25, right? And 5 cubed is equal to 125. And so that's why I'll be thinking about using base 5 for both of these. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewrite this as this. So we know that 25 is just 5 squared, and it's to the power of x. And this is 5 cubed. Now, you should know from your index laws, right, that if you have this, right, you just want to times the powers. So we have 5 2x is equal to 3. Sorry, not 3. 5 to the power 3. And so these two are equal to each other. So 2x is equal to 3. And so finally, x is equal to 3 on 2. All right. All right, so here we have 3 to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 27 to the power of x. Now, I will be using base 3 in this case, okay, because that's the lowest that this side goes to. And so I know that 3 cubed, no, wait, I'll write it here. 3 cubed is equal to 27, okay? And so I'll be writing this as 3 cubed instead. So this whole thing, I'll rewrite it here. So 3 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 cubed x. And so here we have 3 2x minus 1 is equal to, you want to times the powers here, so we have 3 to the power 3x. And then since we have the same base, you can make the powers equal to each other. So we have 2x minus 1 is equal to 3x. Bring this 2x over, so we have minus 1 is equal to x, and then x is equal to negative 1. All right. And yeah, that's it for solving exponential equations.